Alright, good morning, or is it afternoon? I don't know. It's been raining a lot lately, so it's kind of wet today, so I'm just gonna walk with him. We're gonna go down, we're gonna go to the park and walk around a bit. The collar working? It is working. Good boy. I'll let you free. Good boy. Are we still recording? I feel like I could climb. Hey, it's me. You know me. I forgot to charge the GoPro before recording the video, so the GoPro died right here. So yeah, thanks for watching the video and have a great rest of your day.